style. Look your face expression. Look your confidence. Look your body language. Look your watch. Look your watch. I know because I have confidence and I know and I believe in myself that I can do what I want. That's why I'm better than Rita.
No, I am better than her because I have sympathy and empathy both, and I can do whatever I want because that's why I am better than you.
Rita is nothing. Rita kuch nahi abhi. Rita is nothing.
Rita is nothing.
Rita has nothing.
Rita has nothing.
Look,
Look,
she doesn't have English.
she doesn't have English.
Look,
Look,
she doesn't have confidence.
she doesn't have confidence.
Look,
Look,
We have to be focused on our goal.
focus on our goal.
We have to think in our mind that we can do everything in this world.
Problems which I face in my personalities are as follows. I fumble a lot. Before speaking, I think a lot, and I want to learn, master the art of working upon myself.
All I ever really need is your love. Nothing I could do would ever be enough. Stay a little longer with me, baby. Stay a little longer with me. Stay a little longer with me, baby. Can't you stay a little longer with me?
Speak, and they can't speak. Jai Hind, everybody.
Jai Hind, everyone.
So let me know that. First of all, what do you think about English language? If you have to give tips to them for speaking English, what will be your tips?
I have only one tip actually. If you want to improve your English or speaking, you just need to do conversation. More and more conversation. Don't think about grammar and translating in your mind or thinking a lot of things about like if my vocabulary is not good, whatever I'm speaking is good or not, what other are thinking. If you start thinking like this, you can't ever improve yourself. But
This is the best tip minded.
but if you
This is the
stop
best tip
thinking,
minded. Yes.
if you become little shameless, whatever I'm doing is right, I'm going good, I'm doing something something that is needed for myself, for my improvement, then you can speak any language, whether it's English, French, Hindi, everything.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do one thing, and I'm gonna check the fluency of Smita. Right. So let me check the fluency of Smita. That is she really comfortable in English or not? Right. So let's check the fluency of Smita. I will be a news reporter, and you have to cooperate me. So, ladies and gentlemen, we heard the news about Mr. Iv, that he is playing a good role and he is empathizing others and he is empathizing other students for improving his or her English language, and he is doing a great deed for the society and social welfare. You can add some more points for Iv.
Yeah, I agree with that. He is very much positive person. Whenever he try to speak, he's always flawless. I can't find any nitpicks in his speaking or something. He's always positive, motivating. He don't laugh or
He doesn't.
Sorry, he doesn't laugh or taunt anyone when they are not good at speaking or doing something mistakes. He's always be positive and calm.
What is she doing right now? She's just speaking. So she's enjoying her speaking. She's not thinking a lot. That's what we can do, right? Okay, so here I want to say that Mansi is here for the improvement, and she is trying to improve herself, and she is working quite hard and is struggling with her English, and let's see that will she improve or not.
I think she will improve if she remove that thought that what is she getting from here? What is why she is here? What is she getting? If she will improve or not? If sir or any other person is doing good or not? I'm just taking your advice, nothing else. If you stop thinking like that, if you remove all the negative thoughts from your mind, you can speak really well. You are very much confident person.
Look, what is she saying? She's just speaking, right? I want to remind you one thing, that she's just speaking. She's not thinking anything. She's not doing anything, right? She's just speaking. Okay, so yeah, I want to say that each and everyone is trying well, and each and everyone can speak well English language, right? But they need just improvement, and they need the practice. So if they practice, they can speak. What do you think about it?
Yes, they just need practice. I think they are everyone who knows English very well. When they came to this batch, I was like, why they entered in this class? They are very good at speaking, but whenever they come to a stage like me, I have also problem. Whenever I see lots of people around me, I always get hesitate. I start humbling. Still, it's happening, but I battle those things every day whenever I'm on the stage. Even today, even right now,
Are you fumbling or shivering?
shivering.
You're shivering.
Still, it's happening because it's natural. Because I don't face this type of things regularly.
Right.
When sir call me on stage, I come. Otherwise, I don't get that kind of environment. That's why we need to be here.
That's amazing. She's speaking, right? But she's also confessing and accepting her deficiency, her weak point. And what is that? She is shivering. But she's not shivering that much.
Yeah.
She's not shivering that
I'm
much, but
fighting
she's
in my
accepting.
mind actually.
Right. She's shivering in her mind, right? Okay. So should we be flawless now? Should we remove that fear? Okay. Just, I'm giving you 1 minute. You just think something that, what would you like to talk to them? Okay, let's see. As Smita has actually accepted and confessed one thing, like she has the problems. Like when she speaks there, she's very comfortable, but she speaks on the stage, she shivers in her mind, right? So let's just do one thing. You have to just compete to me, right? Whatever I'm going to say, you have to just say for you. I will be talking for me, you will be talking for you. I will be saying something, you have to oppose me, right? First of all, I think that I am better than Smita because why I believe such? Because I believe such because I have sympathy and empathy for others. I also know how to describe and describe the things. I know because I have confidence and I know and I believe in myself that I can do what I want. That's why I am better than Smita.
Oh, I am better than sir because I have sympathy and empathy both, and I can do whatever I want because that's why I am better than you.
Now, how can you say that you are better than me? Because look, my English is quite fluent.
Oh, my English is also very much fluent. I am pretty much confident. How can you say that?
I can say that because see, when I speak, people always listen to me very carefully, right?
Oh.
People analyze that. Wow, what a nice speaker.
People are listening to me as well.
How they are listening to you, like they're just trying to ignore you. They're not listening to you in a proper way.
Because they have fear of you, not from mine.
All right. So, but I want to say that Smita is somewhere facing the deficiency in her communication and the words and vocabs issues she's facing, and I don't have those issues.
I have, but I have accepted that, and that is the big thing. If you accept your inferior qualities or something.
I think that Smita has also one of the problem that she is not very good in terms of socializing with others and making interpersonal skills, right? She is not well in that.
Okay, maybe I am not that much in socializing, but I am good at concentrating more than you.
Okay, now I'm just taking you to the news studio, and I will be reporting a news. You have to report better than me. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We're watching Happiness Institute News, and I, Muhammad Abdullah, welcome you all. I feel that I'm better than this reporter because this reporter is gonna be just, just gonna lose her confidence. And I want to say that all the students of Happiness Institute, they are working quite hard and they're improvising themselves. And they believe that they can improve themselves. This is one of the headlines from Happiness Institute.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Happiness News. Whatever Mr. Abdullah is saying, please ignore because he is very much proud on himself. He don't know the right thing. He always praise himself like he is better than me or something.
Ladies and gentlemen, one headline is coming from the Happiness Institute News that Sardarji is sitting over there and he is very confused that where is he sitting and what is he doing. But yes, soon his problems and confusions will be sorted out, and let's see that what's the day will come that his problems will be sorted out.
The day will definitely come, Sardar. He will improve himself if he try to speak and conversation more.
But I think you are not completing. I said that you have to go with the news flow.
Okay, actually, I'm not that much in news or TV.
Okay, you're not in that much in news, but try it.
Yes.
Okay, give it a try.
Okay.
Come on. Sardarji is sitting over there and he's looking so confused that he doesn't understand that what's he doing in this campus.
Sardarji is sitting over there. He is confused why he is sitting there.
I think Sardarji is finding someone that someone could come and someone could help him, but he's not able to find anyone in the campus.
I think Sardarji is thinking that someone will come and help him, but he can't find it in the campus.
I think that Dheeraj is better than Mansi because Dheeraj always tries to talk in English language because he has been working quite hard for a long time and he's working on his English very much and with dedication.
Okay, I think Dheeraj is better than Mansi because he practices regularly, but Mansi doesn't.
Okay, so Mansi does practice because Mansi practices more than Khushi because Khushi sometimes comes rarely on alternative days and Mansi comes daily and Mansi attends 2 batches and she's very focused.
Okay, Mansi is very focused because he's attending 2 classes and Khushi is not because she is irregular in classes.
Khushi is also very smiling because she is the happiest girl in the world and I hope that she is great. She has great happiness and she will be the jolliest and happiest personality on the planet.
Yeah, Khushi is the happiest and jolliest personality in the planet because he's always smiling and she always compliments her name.
I think you are a singer, right? हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा I can't live without you. What's my status without you? Because I believe that without you I'm nothing. I'm just zero without you. Where are you? Come into my life and make my life prosper. I'm waiting for you. Where have you gone? Still you are not there. And when you are not there in my life, I am just like nothing without you. मैंने थोड़ा exaggerate किया.
हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. I can't live without you because what is my status without you? So where are you come into my life and make my life happy?
थोड़ा और exaggerate करिए.
So where are you come to my life and make my life happy?
और थोड़ा exaggerate करिए. Come into my life, make my life jolly, prosper my life, right? Make me more.
So where are you come to my life, make my life happy, jolly and prosperous. Please come.
All right, that's great. शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको. Perhaps I can never say this that I love you so much. Perhaps I can never say this that you belong to me. Perhaps I can never say this that yes you are very important for me. Perhaps I can never say that yes you actually are super lady in the world. But I just want to say that you are the best in the world.
Do you ever come and find me? Will you ever be mine? क्या तुम कभी आओगे और मुझे ढूंढोगे और मेरे बनोगे? Need you now, oh, hold me closer, stop the wheels of time. When all I ever really need is your love. Nothing I could do would ever be enough. Stay a little longer with me, baby. Stay a little longer with me. Stay a little longer with me, baby. Can't you stay a little longer with me? तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा, सोनिया. तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा.
Explain in English. Speak complete sentence. Are you Rita Sharma?
Yes, I am Rita.
Okay. Do you believe in karma?
Yes, I believe in karma.
Is your husband also Sharma? Hello everybody. My name is Rita Sharma.
Hello everybody, my name is Rita Sharma.
I have been coming here
I have been coming here
for
for
15 days.
15 days.
So now
now
I try to speak English.
I do try to speak
I
English.
try to speak English.
I do try to speak
I
English.
do nahi. I try to speak English.
I try to speak English.
I want to speak English.
I want to improve myself.
Look,
Look,
this Rita
this Rita
has nothing.
has nothing.
Has मतलब पता है ना? पास. रीता के पास कुछ नहीं है अभी. Rita is nothing. Rita कुछ नहीं है अभी. Rita is nothing.
Rita is nothing.
Rita has nothing.
Rita has nothing.
Look,
Look,
she doesn't have English.
she doesn't have English.
Look,
Look,
she doesn't have confidence.
she doesn't have confidence.
Look,
Look,
she cannot speak.
she cannot speak.
But
But
one day,
one day,
hey, you all listen to me.
one day you listen
Hey,
to
you
me.
all listen to me. Sanjay,
Hey.
Sanjay, listen to him.
Mr. Sanjay, listen to me.
Sanjay, listen to me.
Listen to me.
Khushi, you listen to me.
Khushi, you listen to
You
me.
are laughing on me.
You are laughing.
You are thinking that Rita does not know anything.
You are thinking Rita does know anything, do anything.
Rita knows.
Rita knows.
Rita will learn.
Rita will learn.
Rita will speak.
Rita will speak.
Rita will transform.
Rita will
Rita
transform.
will change.
Rita will change.
Rita
Rita
will speak on the stage
will speak on the stage.
one day,
One
and
day.
you all will be shocked,
You all will be shocked.
and you will clap for me.
You will clap for me.
You will clap.
You have to say, I can do everything. Everything is possible in this world. Impossible itself means I am possible. जब तक सफल ना हो चैन की नींद तुम त्यागो, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़कर तुम मत भागो, कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So we have to be focused on our goal.
Focus on our goal.
We have to think in our mind that we can do everything in this world. We always should have dedication, determination, devotion to our goal. Everything is possible. That's
Okay, very good. Well tried, well tried. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say that's a very good time and moment for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very good time and moment for all of us. I want to say that I was here studying. I was trying to improvise myself, but Abdullah sir told me that you cannot improve yourself.
I want to improvise myself, but Abdullah sir said you cannot improve.
Abdullah sir told me that you cannot improve yourself. But I reminded to Abdullah sir, hey Abdullah sir, you are wrong. You cannot judge me. You cannot judge me. Look at me. I want to say that I can improve myself. I want to say that I can improve myself. I want to say that I can improve myself. I want to say that I come here for a purpose. That's why I'm improving myself. Speed, speed. I want to say that I come here for a purpose. That's why I'm improving myself. I have a lot of courage. I have a lot of potential. I have a lot of knowledge. I can speak because I practice. I can speak because I practice. I will never fumble. This station is amazing and fantastic. I want to say that this station is amazing and fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been coming here for Hey you. Try to understand. The importance of your confidence. The importance of your fluency. Look your hands. Look your body. Look your fluency. Look your eyes. Look your hairstyle. Look your face expression. Look your confidence. Look your body language. Look your watch. Look your watch. What a nice. What a fantastic. What a great. What amazing. What amazing. I like you. You look so handsome. You look so handsome. You're such a man. You look so handsome. You look so handsome. You are. You are my Sahara. You are my Sahara. And I will be your Sahara. I will help you. I will cooperate you. I will encourage you. I will support you. Today आप क्या करेंगे बताइए today.
I can improvise English over outside. I can implement the English outside. Because I have only the purpose to learn English. I can speak English anyone. In front of everyone. Either would be Panwadi, either would be pilot. He can speak, and he can speak. And we are here for speak. And we can speak good English. Through of Abdullah sir. If we can adapt his knowledge, we can explode. And we are here to explore ourselves and expose ourselves with a good manner. Through of Abdullah sir. So we try to speak English